In this video, you'll learn how to copy your BNB address using the Trust Wallet application. This process will allow you to share your wallet address securely for transactions. Start by opening the Trust Wallet application on your device. Ensure that you have the application installed and that you are connected to the internet. If the app requires an update, complete that before proceeding. Once the application is open, locate and tap on the fund option in the main menu. This will take you to the funding section where you can manage your deposits. After that, look for and select the receive from another wallet option. This action will direct you to a screen that displays your available cryptocurrencies. Next, click on the Choose a Crypto button. This will present you with a list of cryptocurrencies supported by Trust Wallet, allowing you to select the one you wish to work with. Once this screen appears, tap on the search bar at the top of the list. This will enable you to quickly find the cryptocurrency you need. Type in BNB in the search field. The application will filter results, displaying BNB as one of the options. After locating BNB, select it from the list. This action will lead you to the BNB wallet interface where you can see your wallet information. Now click on the copy button, which is typically represented by two overlapping squares. This will copy your BNB address to your clipboard, allowing you to paste it wherever needed. For additional convenience, you can also select the Scan QR option. This allows you to share your address using a QR code, making it easy for others to send you BNB without needing to manually enter the address. Be mindful of your internet connection and the size of any files you may be sharing. Ensure you have enough storage on your device if you plan to save any information related to your wallet. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.